guys, Cat here, and welcome back to the channel. Today, we are playing Ratty Catty, and mouse babies are dying, Gold.
Yeah, why is there 4 babies? There's so many kids to feed.
I mean, look at that one. That one's so cute. Okay, our objective is to find food for our little babies. Can our babies eat this?
No! You know what? I found a secret place to get all the food.
Wait, did you just hear that?
Where are those mouses?
There's a crazy girl out there.
Where are you little mice?
Gold, hide. Okay, run.
I saw them. What?
Run.
Jackal, come on, you gotta help me. I'm gonna whack you.
Okay, to the fridge. We need to find.
Oh wait, there they are.
They're in the kitchen.
No. Jump. Okay,
Get
come on, Red Gold. No.
Come on.
Look at the fridge.
Come on. Yes!
I need to take this for my baby. Hey, I want the Twinkies for my baby.
Get back here.
Get
I'm
out.
gonna smash this
Gosh. She is spooking me, guys.
How did Funny go?
This position, I look like I'm gonna poop my pants, which is quite disturbing. But I'm gonna take this.
I hear a spray.
Hey.
You guys, can you
Who
chill?
Is that you?
I have a baby. I have a son. Okay, wait. Can we make a deal, Mr. Cat?
What?
Okay, don't hit me. Don't hit me first, please.
Don't throw watermelon. Wait, where are you going with that watermelon?
Can you just let me feed one of my children before they die? Please! My children are dying! What is wrong with you? Stop beating me! I'm a dead mouse! Stop! What? Gold?
Yes?
Go, come here.
I brought this back
I
for one of
don't
my
have food for our children.
Okay, here, baby! Eat this baby!
Your
Baby!
children
Oh
are
my
going
god!
to die.
The baby just ate a whole watermelon! That's
Why are these egg
The
cartons
cats are
everywhere?
guarding that door. Let's go through this way.
okay. This way? This is a cool way. Oh, we are going through a magical Christmas tunnel.
This!
Why are you crawling? I'm trying to kick your butt out!
I found another thwacking stick.
Stop! Are
Hey.
you eating me? What?
What? That's what cats do. They eat mice.
Dude, one of my green babies are dying. Okay, that's it. I'm going. Mama Mouse got this. Got this.
Hi. Who's this?
Why do you have a pool taste stick? What is wrong with you?
I found it. I was playing some pool and I heard some squirmy little mice.
Which one do you think they'll like better? The sausages? The beans? Maybe the salmon. Maybe
Can
they'll
you?
like that better.
Hey, stop. The babies are dying. They will eat anything. Let's just
Jackal, they're
carry,
in the kitchen.
let's carry this sausage back. Come on, run.
Oh my gosh, what are
that
you
sausage back to our
Oh,
babies.
hurry.
Oh, I just see. Oh, go do this. No! Gold, your butt's so big. Come on,
We're
run.
calling through the hole. We can't get through there. Come on, the other way. Come out somewhere. I found you.
No!
I'm gonna get this one with the sausage.
No, it's it's for my children. Nice. Okay, we're running through. It's for the. Do you not care about my children?
I only care about my cheese and my food, and you're eating my food.
Gold, I got it. I'm bringing the sausage back to my little baby.
Where are you guys?
Oh my god. Oh my god, one of my babies. Gold, one of our babies died.
Jackal.
No, stop feeding that one. That one already ate a sausage. Okay, really? That one ate like 2 sausages already. I mean, 1 sausage. This one's clearly dying. This one needs food. Okay, let's go. Shh. We need to be more clever, okay? We need to... Oh.
Jackal, did you see the other weapon?
This is pretty cool. Gold, look at me.
Oh, those are some nice babies, Funny.
What?
What? The car?
No, it's me. I found something.
Come on. Nice. I'm up here. Oh my god, there's a giant piece of bread for my baby. That's it. My baby gets...
Are they upstairs?
I gotta hide.
I don't know where they are.
We're actually upstairs right now. Gold.
I don't believe you. I see her.
My
She's
baby.
literally holding a giant piece of bread. You gotta whack her.
Hey.
She's right here.
This is for my baby. This is for my baby. What is
Get back here.
You can't.
Get back here. No. She went under the bed. No,
Yes.
buddy. Oh my gosh. How?
This is for my
I hate
baby.
this tennis racket. I'm gonna use my claw.
Okay, here, eat this.
Yeah.
Eat this giant piece of bread. You're...
Mama's coming!
Oh, nice, you brought him a melon. Okay, feed it to it or him. No, stop feeding that one. Is that your child? That's why you're trying to feed
baby
it.
you got there.
Draco, you called
Really? Dude, get out. I see something cool. I wasn't taking the poops on the clocks. Anyways, our baby is dying. And I think it's time we finally throw in the towel. You know what?
You think we can go outside?
You cats, you win. Are you happy?
Win.
You murdered my family.
I see one little mousy running to the fridge. What? Is that a propeller hat? Oh my god, that's so cute!
Funny,
But
get
not
back
cute enough
here.
for me to not kill you.
That's
Get back
not
here.
even me. That is some other mouse. I'm coming, girl. I got my own mini BMW now. I'm driving my mini car.
Gold, get back here.
Okay, ow.
You are the one with the propellers. Get back.
We're driving.
Funny, come save me.
I'm coming. I'm gonna do some really cool GTA stunt right now. You ready?
GTA?
Yes!
She's in a car, Draco.
Oh, that was sad.
Hey,
This car was useless to me.
back here.
No. I got children at home.
Hiya! Okay.
Yes, beating baby.
Savage!
I'll save you.
What did you just save me with? What? What are you wearing? Oh,
I bought our
Now
kids
we
some
have two
chicken.
little mousies to kill. Na 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 na. Okay, scratch! Scratch!
I'm going down the toilet. I don't need you. Okay, I can't go down the toilet. What's the point of being a tiny mouse? Is that you, Gold?
I don't see you. Where are you?
Shh.
Hey,
Ah! Please. Funny, save me.
Her baby needs Twinkies.
Oh
I
no.
found something amazing. I have a boxing glove.
Oh, okay.
Where are you, little mice, so I can box you? I mean, play with you.
I heard that there's some cat food upstairs that I'm after.
Oh, really?
Uh-huh.
Where?
It's all the way upstairs, though. You need to reach it.
she's a liar.
Gold,
Draco,
Gold,
do you smell that?
Gold, where are you? Oh,
I
Gold,
smell some trickster mice around here.
I'm in the kitchen.
Kitchen? Kitchen.
Oh,
Kitchen.
a box. I want to play with this box and we'll bam.
Wait.
Huh? Oh, it's a squeaky toy.
Are you just gonna keep beating the box?
Hey.
Hey, go away! This is a regular box.
Draco, where are you
toy.
guys?
In the
I
kitchen.
see you.
Hey, get back here.
I just stole this bag of crispy French fries, and I came back, and one of my other babies are dead. Our babies keep dying. Gold, we're very bad parents.
Yeah, but those kitties won't stop following us.
I know. Do they have a crush on us? Just marry us then.
I don't have a crush on you. I just like little mice.
You're crazy.
Hey, anyone want some creme brulee?
Are
No.
you guys in this box?
Wait, you like mouse creme brulee? What's wrong with you?
We're
Yeah,
cats.
I
Of
love
course we like mouse creme brulee.
You disgust me.
Oh, I see them. Boing. Boing.
I have no clue.
Creme brulee mouse.
Gold, are you okay?
No, I'm getting creme brulee mouse over here.
Well, I'm getting some French fries for my baby. I got my baby French fries. I'm heading back on my mini toy car. Come on, hold the French fries. Let's get out of here.
I'll be on the lookout.
What?
Take my boxing glove. No.
You just punched my face. I got a bruise.
I can cook those fries for you.
No.
Get back here.
I don't want your
Smash.
No, you
You're
are
not
not
getting
blocking
in
the door,
here.
you pig. You pig, move. My baby's gonna...
Whack them.
No, we
Oh no, I'm mocking Draco instead. Whack. Take this bouncing glove. Boxing glove.
Hurry, go, feed
No,
our
no.
My baby is
Where'd
coming.
she go?
We got it. Who? We win. I think we're gonna win. Our baby is full of food. Gold, one more food and we win. Let's go, let's go, let's go. We're gonna beat the game on the train.
Not if I have anything to do with it. Pew, pew, pew.
Funny, I'll give you The spray can. Hurry, come
You
here.
would have won a
What?
long time.
Wait, what is it?
Take this. Use it.
Oh, thank
Save
you.
our baby.
I will save our baby Gold. Let's go get them some
Kill
food.
with. What is this?
There's. Shh. I feel like the mouses are. The cats are around. Do you hear them? Let's go. Come on, let's go. Let's go. Oh, there's a bunch of frying pans here. That means they're totally gonna murder us. All right. Big, juicy steak for my baby.
Back in the kitchen. A steak now. First French fries and now a steak. You guys are taking it way too far.
We got
Where
a
are
juicy
you?
steak for my
Get back
baby.
here. Boing, boing. No. Oh, no.
They're so bad at this game. I think we're gonna win. Yes, I'm going back to my same spot. My baby, my baby's got a baby steak. Here we go. Here we go.
Like her. Wait, go.
There you are, baby. Oh my God.
No.
Oh, look, the little baby is like rolling everywhere. So we have won.
It says we lost.
Oh. And
Awkward.
I
The baby
think we
died.
lost because we killed 3 babies. So that's.
Oh, you only grew 1 baby, but you had like 3 dead babies. So.
What bad mom.
You ready to beat up some mouses?
Yeah, I'm ready to get some mouse.
Some Draco and rainbow mouses? Because the tables have turned. Now we are the big cats. And
Why
we.
would you hurt a cute little mouse?
Oh,
And we know the tricks
Ah.
we played.
just doing some workouts. Ah. Wait. Hey! Don't pee on this floor. My owner's coming home soon. That's it. We're opening up this. Open sesame. Ooh, pretty. What do
Funny,
I...
it's right there with the propeller. Get it.
Hold up. I'm gonna grab this egg cartons. I got myself a knife, Gold. Oop.
Yeah, let's shiv him.
Whoa. How about let's poke the mouse with our knife so they can stop stealing. You are a very bad broomstick mouse, whoever you
I
are.
dare you to come poke me. Oh no. I'm just kidding.
Come here.
Poker.
I'm crazy. I'm a crazy cat. Okay, you're so bad at this. Come on, just die.
No, I will
Go,
never
go.
come down. I will
Get her.
never. No,
What?
I'm gonna get a piece of chicken.
Don't flip my car. Please.
A piece of chicken for my babies.
There we go. Hide. You know what? I'm just gonna destroy your car. I have no clue what you're trying to do there. Get out, mouse.
No.
Okay, then your babies are gonna die. Okay? Your babies. When those mice come back, we're gonna flick these at them.
Yeah, and I'm gonna bat them in the air.
You're gonna bat them in there? Okay.
Yeah. Yeah.
So,
Yeah.
stop. They might be coming anytime now. Anytime.
Draco, one of our babies is gonna die. We need to get
Good
food
riddance.
now.
Be gone, you plebby mouse baby.
Yeah, I dare you to walk through this kitchen door.
Get out of the way, mouse!
Ah, get her, buddy! Get her!
Have a plate. Take this. That's right. I'll eat you.
enough.
You
I'm
taste
dead.
delicious.
I'm dead. Stop.
That one is dead. Good job, Gold. You're really good at whacking
I
people.
like this trick. Samurai cat.
Samurai cat. Okay, I'm gonna go grab some more stuff.
It's flying, Funny, get it!
What's flying?
That mouse! It's like a... Get it! It's in the air!
It's like a what?
Bring a piece of bread to my baby.
No!
Almost dead.
It's taking our owner's food! Get it!
Yes!
Gold, you are making a mess around the house. You have just flicked multiple cushions off the
We're
couch.
gonna get in trouble.
Yeah, your owners are gonna come home and they're gonna yell at you.
Oh, no, I have to get the cheese to my
It's
baby.
in the air!
That's
It's
right.
flying.
You plebby mouse, die. Hey, mouses, I have something for you to drink.
Is it bleach?
Yes, how do you know?
Because you're evil.
That's right, I'm evil. You know why? It's because you're making a mess in our owner's house, and Gold, the evil cat, is going to smack you. Show her your mess
So
smacking
what?
skills.
I
Yeah.
heard from the grapevine.
I'll teach you how to steal food.
No.
I heard that you guys hate your owners anyway, so why do you even care?
You heard nothing. I will murder you. Your family. You're kidding. You're lucky I can't jump that high.
Do nothing.
Gold, you need to calm down, girl. You are whacking
Banana.
everything.
Well, I'm gonna get it. Look at me. What? There's a hole in the cabinet?
I just sneaked a giant pork chop next beside them. They didn't even notice.
Run, Rainbow.
They don't even notice that I'm running with the giant pork chop.
Where's that pork chop girl? Where's she? I hear rumors of some mouse has pork chops for her baby.
Hey, get me! Ratatouille! I'm a ninja.
I will turn you into Ratatouille.
No.
And you're gonna taste gold. Get the plates.
Ninja. I'm a ninja.
Get the plates because we're having something delicious for dinner
Hey, ninja.
called Ratatouille.
Draco, run! She's coming!
I'm Samurai Garter. I'm gonna guard this fridge for my life. You will never get a piece of single food out of this fridge.
They're not running the table. Sausage. Sausage is mine.
There it is. Our first Ratatouille meat. Ratatouille.
Oh, no.
Come on, go, Draco, go.
I'm gonna get in the bed.
There's some mouse trying to get potato stuff from my fist.
No. I need a banana. Just give me a banana.
Oh no, our baby died.
Really? No.
Yes,
Oh.
we're gonna win.
That's what happens when you try to steal banana from me. Look at this. Ow! Hey, don't hit me on the head with the fruit girl. Look at this poor mouse. She is dead, and she needs her mouse friend to revive her, or she dies.
But look at this. I killed her mouse friend too.
Squeak, evil kitties.
Squeaky, where are you, Draco? Draco,
I
do you
think
want to
Caroline.
save your friend?
He's in the garage, obviously.
Oh,
Wait, where is he? I just saw something.
Right here, buddy. He's under the bucket. Yeah.
banana.
Run, Draco!
Die!
We are going mouse hunting, and Draco's coming back for his partner
You
crash.
can't die. You die. The world.
Stop trying to
Get
go.
out of your mouse hole.
Oh, I hate this mouse hole. Why is he even here? I'm trying to hit this mouse, but it looks like...
No. What? We're gonna both go to the fridge.
Yes! Your babies have died. We hope you guys enjoyed Ratty Catty. If you did, make sure to smash the like button down below for more. So, hey, cats. We have to smash the like button down below for more, okay?
For more cheese.
And if you did enjoy Ratty Catty, leave a comment down below. Who is the best? The mouses? Look at us. The mouses who are on sync at doing squats? Or the kitties? Leave a comment down below. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel if you haven't already. And we will see you all in the next one. Come on, let's go save us some more babies.
They're gonna die.
Okay, that's it. I'm going. Mama Mouse got this.
Hi.
Got this.
Who's this?
Why do you have a pool stick? What is wrong with you?
I found it. I was playing some pool and I heard some squirmy little mice.
Which one do you think they'll like better? The sausages? The beans? Maybe the salmon. Maybe
Can
they'll
you?
like that better.
Hey, stop. The babies are dying. They will eat anything. Let's
Draco,
just
they're
carry
in the kitchen.
Let's carry this sausage back. Come on, run.
Oh my gosh, what are
that
you
sausage back to our babies.
Hurry.
Oh, I just see. Oh, go do this. Hey guys, Kat here, and welcome back to the channel. Today we are playing Ratty Catty, and mouse babies are dying, Gold.
Yeah, why is there 4 babies? There's so many kids to feed.
I mean, look at that one. That was so cute. Okay, our objective is to find food for our little babies. Can our babies eat this?
No! You know what? I found a secret place to get all the food.
Wait, did you just hear that?
Where are those mouses?
There's a crazy girl out there.
Where are you little mice?
Go
Stealing my
hide,
cheese.
hide. Okay, run. Run.
I saw them. What?
Run.
Jackal, come on, you gotta help me. I'm gonna whack you.
Okay, to the fridge. We need to
Oh
find.
wait, there they are.
They're in the
No.
kitchen.
Jump. Okay.
Get
Come on, Red. Go. No.
Come on.
Ooh, look at the fridge.
Come on. Yes.
I need to take this for my baby. Hey, I want the Twinkies for my baby.
Get back here.
Get
I'm gonna
out.
smash
My
this
gosh. She is spooking me, guys.
How did Funny go?
This position, I look like I'm gonna poop my pants, which is quite disturbing. But I'm gonna take this.
I hear a spray.
Hey.
You guys, can you
Who
chill?
is that? Is that you?
I have a
Wolf?
baby. I have a son. Okay, wait. Can we make a deal, Mr. Cat?
What?
Okay, don't hit me. Don't hit me first, please.
Don't throw watermelon. Wait, where are you going with that watermelon?
Can you just let me
I'm
feed
gonna
one of my
whack you.
children before they die? Please!
Back here.
My children are dying! What
how do I
is
do this?
wrong with you? Stop beating me! I'm a dead mouse! Stop! What? Gold?
Yes.
Go, come here.
I brought this back
I
for
don't
one
have
of my
food for our children.
Here, baby! Eat this baby!
Your
Baby!
children
Oh
are
my
going
god!
to die.
The baby just ate a whole watermelon! That's
Why are these egg
The
cartons
cats are
everywhere?
guarding that door. Let's go through this way.
Okay, this way? This is a cool way. Oh, we are going through a magical Christmas tunnel.
This!
Why are you crawling? I'm trying to kick your butt out!
I found another
Delicious.
whacking stick.
Stop! Are
Hey.
you eating me? What?
What? That's what cats do. They eat mice.
I see you.
Dude, one of my green babies are dying.